How to fix pause reels not working on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix pause reels not working on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram. Make sure that you sign in. Now go to the Reels section by tapping Reel icon at bottom right corner. Normally you can pause a reel by tapping on it. If that's not working, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix. Go to your profile icon at bottom right corner, tap three-line icon at top right corner to access setting and activity page. Now scroll down and look for the option of help. Tap report a problem and tap report problem without checking. Tap include and continue, and here you will reach on the section where you simply need to explain the issues and send the message to Instagram support team in the feedback box. After that, exit Instagram and then head towards App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. If there is any update available, you need to tap update and update the Instagram app to the latest version. Updating app ensures you get the latest features and fixes. And that is how we fix pause reels not working on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.